Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at the interior mounted MAD hoist system in an enclosed service body. Let's check it out. Behind me you'll see it here, and first I'd like to review the models that are available. We have a 550 pound capacity model available, and 1100 pound capacity model available, as well as when you get that 1100 pound there is an option for a long cable, a 65-foot cable. And that's primarily going to be used in industries such as subsurface work, like utilities, where you're trying to lower something underground through a manhole, maybe sewer inspection cameras, or you want to send a pump down there, that kind of thing. Today, we're going to be looking at just the 1100 pound model. So, without further ado, let's take a look and see how it operates. Okay, the first thing I'd like to point out is that this has an extension of 4 feet. So you'll get your load from behind the doors, 4 feet off the vehicle, and you'll maintain your full capacity. Again, in this case, it's 1,100 pounds. And the thing you're going to want to keep an eye on is how far out your bumper is going to extend. Some folks will have a load where they'll need to turn and articulate it as it comes out of the vehicle, so there are some load requirements and things to take into mind when you're considering applying this to your unique needs. But the main thing is, again, 4 feet off the rear. And again, I'd like to show you how it lowers now. Okay, great. Well, as you can see, it is a relatively quiet unit. It lowers it slowly and confidently. It moves at a distance of 1 inch per second. And let's bring it back up. Okay, we've now stored our load, and the next thing to talk about is this moves your load in, again, from where it stops there at the rear doors. It will move it in just over 5 feet, and that's important because it's going to be getting it forward of your rear axle. That's going to help distribute the load as you're going down the road instead of having your load sitting right here on the tail end. This is an 11-foot service body, I should mention. The next thing I'd like to talk about is the mounting. So this mounts using a tubular frame. It is a universal frame. And in this case, we've mounted it inside the enclosed service body here, but it is universal. You could put it into any of the vans currently on the market, like a Mercedes Sprinter van, Ford Transit, or the Dodge Ram Promaster. It is also a great application if you were to put it into a box-style vehicle. You can get special horizontal cross beams that would support up to an 8-foot span. So we see them going into a lot of larger commercial vehicles as well. And these horizontal tubes that are supporting it, that is important because one of the best features is this hoist can actually move side to side, and that's going to be important because potentially you want to have this beam out of the way for clear and easy access. Maybe you're trying to get in and out of the vehicle and want to store this out of the way. But also, when you're backing up the vehicle, again, maybe to a manhole, for example, you don't have to get the vehicle perfectly orientated. You can get it very close and then adjust the hoist just that little bit to get perfect placement where you want to set your load down. The next thing we should talk about is how this vehicle, or how this unit is powered. This powers straight into the battery. Let the alternator take care of maintaining the battery, but there is no modifications required. It is simply just positives and negatives that are supplied. Next, let's talk a little about who might use this unit. This is used in a number of applications. In particular, this is going to be used for installing commercial and residential backup generator units. We have a lot of folks in the granite and quartz countertop delivery business that are using this, as well as folks transporting 55-gallon drums. We have some with rebuilding transmissions and engines. We're using those to move them off their hoist points in and out of the vehicles. So it is a very dynamic system, and again, as long as you have a good hoist point for that hook to hang on to, this should be a great application. But we would like to work with you. If you have questions on how this might apply to your unique situation, we encourage you to give us a phone call and we discuss if this hoist system is indeed for you or not. I'd say if you'd like, please, my name is Jacob with National Fleet Products, and we look forward to working together. Talk to you soon. Thank you.